Are you ready to go back to school? Do you remember all the important vocabulary you need for studying? Take this quick listening quiz to find out. Please listen and choose the correct answer. Good luck. You put your books in it to take to school. You write with this. You erase mistakes with this. This is a place to sit during class. You use this to color pictures. It has pages for writing notes or homework. You carry your pens and pencils in this small bag. This is the board where the teacher writes with markers. You use this tool to measure the length of objects. You sharpen your pencils with this. This shows the time in the classroom. You use these to cut paper. You drink water from this at school. You use this to stick paper or posters on the wall. You carry your lunch in this to school. You use this to write on the whiteboard. You use this to clean the whiteboard. You use it to stick paper together. It helps you add, subtract, multiply, or divide numbers quickly. This vehicle takes you to school. Great job! How many points did you score? Share it in the comments below. See you in our next video.